Hello and welcome to this new video on how to post video story on Instagram. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to access your Instagram interface, and when you are able to access the Instagram interface, you just have to right click on that interface and a pop-up box will appear. Now you just have to scroll down to the bottom of the pop-up box and there will be inspect tab. So you just have to click on that inspect tab and inspect section will be appeared right in front of you. Now you just have to look on the right hand side and in the top bar and you will be able to see a laptop icon. So you just have to click on it and you will be able to switch the laptop view, or you can just click on it and you will be able to switch to the mobile view or your phone view. Now you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen and you will be able to see the dimension as well. Dimension means which phone dimension is showing in the mobile view, so you can just choose different dimension. There are a list of different mobile phones that you can choose from, or you can also edit your own mobile phone, and after that you need to choose the dimension that you are comfortable with. And when you have chosen the dimension that you are comfortable with, you just have to click on that refresh button, and when you have clicked on that refresh button, then the mobile view will be activated properly and you will be able to see your story section as well, where you can share your story. You just have to click on your story section and you will be able to access the storage of your device. Now you just have to choose the video that you want to upload and click on that open button, and you just need to click on that add to story button and you will be able to post video story on Instagram. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.